hearts. I also love my barley. I drink barley every morning. This is also really good for your immune system. This is life. Eat that once a day. I cannot live without that. Yes.
Amazing pure organic barley from I Am Worldwide lang. Lagi ang iniinom ko.
Amazing morning everyone! Ako si Eric Factoso. Kwento ko po konti tungkol dito sa ating amazing pure organic
barley. I Am Worldwide for the holidays.
Experience how it feels like to be amazing. I Am Amazing Barley. Get na!
So many orders and we are ready to ship them out.
Thank you so much, TikTok. Ang daming in-order nito. Oh. Winner. Ikaw, winner ka.
We are so happy to serve all of you. This is super nice. This is super good. Of course, our bestseller. Thank you so much to everyone who bought. Check out. I'm gonna put the items in my yellow basket right now.